this video, we can see how to speed up a video clip or create a slow motion video in Camtasia Studio. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for more video updates. Thank you. We can add the video clip into the track. And next, we need to drag this speed clip effect onto the video clip. Next, we need to click this effect tray, and again we can hold the end point and drag it inward to reduce the video clip, which will speed up the video. We can confirm the same by playing the clip here. By dragging this clip speed effect outward, we can create a slow motion video. This speed clip effect we can also add by right-clicking on the video clip and selecting this Add Clip Speed. We can again drag the clip inward or outward to adjust the speed, same as in the first method. We can also manually increase the speed of the video by increasing the speed count to more than 1x here. To create a slow motion, we can add a number less than 1 to make the video in slow motion. We can add the clip speed effect on the audio clip and reduce the speed of the audio or increase the speed of the audio file in the same way we did on the video clip. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please like, comment, and share this video to your friends. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for more video updates. Thank you.